Hey, Shalom, Sister Kate here. So it's just a smart thing when there's something like a parasitic outbreak, like listeria, or the latest cyclosporiasis, to look at what you might be able to do to keep yourself from getting sick. And I did a real short video on that about the foods that they're saying you don't want to buy right now, and talking about washing your vegetables or using your own vegetables, or, frozen vegetables or vegetables that would be cooked a lot, like Brussels sprouts. That's great. Another precaution suggested by someone on our medical team was trying to get a hold of the medications that were recommended for people who already have this. And because it's a prescription, and because in America you cannot buy antibiotics or other prescription medicines without a doctor's orders, there has been a new online way to get antibiotics legally, as you should, under the care of a medical professional. And so some doctors have been offering to be your online doctor in order to get a prescription for an emergency medicine that they are legally allowed to prescribe. And so someone in our medical team sent us a link to what's called a Jase case. And this is just one of the different online doctors who are offering these services. So what you do, if you do decide to buy one of these, is that you become an online patient. They do have to ask you some information. They have to give you warnings. And this case also has some things in it that are from the medical doctor's office that they need to do. So I wanted to show it to you. It is not cheap. I think it's around $300. And it does have a few options on how many medicines you can get. And it's all available on their website. So I just wanted to show you. They send a med deck with it, which is, I think, smart, responsible. And in it, it talks about the meds that are in the case, and then just different ways they're used, what the dosage would be, what they would be used for, and how you properly dispose of these medicines if you don't end up using them and they expire. They cover all the responsible bases for prescribing medication. And so it's a really good resource. And I really appreciated the fact that it came with this med deck, and then also more instructions, like I said, on uses and expiration dates and how to store these meds properly. It's all in there, so it's a good thing. And then for the actual case, it is pretty handy. It's not too big. We got the basic case, and inside it's just got your medicines. It's got them marked and labeled and dated, and with directions on how to take them. And then there was also a cream that we got in this case, and then more information on the inside about prescriptions that have been provided. They have an online pharmacist if you have any questions about these medicines. Perhaps you're someone who has medicine allergies or are already on some meds and you're concerned about, will these things clash? They have a 24-hour online pharmacy for you to call up and ask questions. So it's a really good kit. And we went ahead and ordered them because living off grid the way we have with animals and so on, there have been several times when various things come up, like infected bug bites or strep throat or things like that, that these antibiotics would be useful for if one did not already have a medical doctor or service near you, like an urgent care or something like that. These are definitely emergency meds. That's the understanding that you have with the online doctor, that you use them in extreme cases, not as your regular medical care. So I just wanted to show you this and tell you that we thought it would be a good idea to have this. And so we went ahead and ordered them, and I thought I would share that with you all. I highly recommend you go to their website if you have any other questions. I'm not a salesperson for them, nor am I a medical expert. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching the video. Shalom.